Yeah, man, forward back for the live. You know what I say? Share the live. Tell a friend for tell a friend. You don't know Real Talk IG.
Yeah,
you know what I say? Black Steel in the building. And then a burn of fire. That's just warm up. In best of warm up the box. You know what I say? Take out some cockroach off some tune and them thing there. You know what I say? And dust them off and them thing there. Yeah. You know what I mean, David? So tell a friend, share the live. Share the live. You know what I mean, David? Johnny Killer in the building. The whole team in the building. From back then. You know what I say? And we have a reason a little bit too. Because you don't know, we want to know, you know what I say?
The history,
yeah, we have a reason a little bit. You know what I deal with? And you don't know Johnny Killer. You know, you say you play a whole heap of sound because you play Mataran too. You might play some Mataran too later on too. And you don't know, you play cosmic sound. So you don't know you're going to represent later on for cosmic sound. You know what I say? Because you don't know, you know what I say? New millennium and, right? So it coming like we're going to go a little bit overtime this afternoon. You see? So share the live, you know what I say? Remember, can burn some more tune. And you don't know, we reason a little bit, make the people them get to find out Black Steel history, you know what I say, how long them in the business, as Killer did say, them coming in the business about 93, so you don't know, we still want to know certain thing about them and where them are move from, you know what I say, to where them are go until now, you know what I say, and where them are doing in the future, you know what I deal with? Got the sound still play?
Of course.
The sound still play.
Can't stop.
Can't stop, you know, you hear that? So you don't know, tell a friend for tell a friend, LP International, Real Talk IG, share the live, you know what I say? Let go tune.
Super ladies are super big. How you mean? Oh boy.
Boy. Bandage.
Yeah, man, share the live, man.
Share the live. Energy.
Black Steel, I got just out of some boy tonight.
Come, John, make a take one picture quick. Take a picture quick.
A lot of them going to supper tonight.
Yo,
God, this session is getting hotter, and this your dancer is under fire. A lot of people going to feel good tonight. So a lot of someone have to stand up and fight now. But remember, listen to Black Steel sound, and we will guide you throughout this session. Under fire.
Yeah, you Johnny Killer. Who goes? Ready? Sound of fraud, Lord. Black Steel will kill your output and killing all your yard.
Yeah, man.
See, you only got a few seconds more to drop it right here on the dance floor. In any sound clash, Black Steel ever ready. Boxes are dub plate and boxes are LP. They can rap a pam pam, a peer rap a pam pam. Black Steel does a dust every day rap a pam pam. Peer rap a pam pam, a peer rap a pam pam. Black Steel does a dust every day rap a pam pam. Say what is the meaning of rap a pam pam? Now go tell him the meaning. Yeah, who goes? Stand your mind. Sound of fraud,
Sound of chicken, big up yourself.
Share the live.
See that?
See, you only got a few seconds more.
What you mean,
drop it
chicken?
right here on the dance floor. In any sound clash, Black Steel ever ready. Boxes are dub plate and boxes are
Anytime.
They go rap a pam pam, a beat rap a pam pam. Black Steel does a dust every day rap a pam pam.
Yeah, there's some 90s, 50s, 40s, the whole New York City, the whole Brooklyn.
I don't say every day rap a pam pam.
Come on.
Say what is the meaning of rap a pam pam? Now go tell him the meaning of rap a pam pam. Pam pam. Because I don't say rap a pam pam. I saw me drop a rap.
Black Steel 4x4.
What time is it?
Johnny, Stinger.
Original
Ding
job.
ding 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 ding.
Yeah, man.
Say them not stop from show off, make them friend them laugh. We try to warn them, Black Steel would cut them off. Show off
Big
in
up
this
Polly
place at any time or place.
What you
And if
mean?
they say cannot fall on them face, them a ball piece off and them come start the war. Them never listen cause them and them big bag of friend aspire. Them a ball piece now off and them come start the
Share the live.
Why God you suspect him so that never son no church him all was always shine. He might go jump on that. Hey, tell my name a wicked and I'm a run the place and turn up on your base. But now we like we race, yo, win away. Simple as I say. So I like a lamb, so bitter like a
Johnny, one thing we always do. Johnny, tell them people then, Johnny.
PPF war Black Steel, PPF war. No time at all we not left for your SLR. PPF war Black Steel, PPF war. From Father God you know we not go skip a ride. Ya them banna, ya them live. Ya them banna, ya them live. We no run fi boost the Uzi in a jump and parade. Ya them banna, ya them live. Ya them banna, ya them live. We no run fi spin it up in a whole
Ready?
Now ease up. I feel black steel as summer like Christ or as class come off power. Original Conaxal dog out and I got to the pop. Chuck off a wap and get them by shop. Ammunition and a boy black club. Murder style. I me say what them a go do for stop black steel sound. Bad sound, no sound can't go no way down. What them a go do for start the other law. Bad sound from tell a pussy stay apart and don't ever step.
So Johnny.
Black STEEL4X4 on the Black STEEL4X4 on the world. STEEL4X. Who we no love what I want. We are tell them sound boy Africa. Big Mac 11 on the home. As you say hear them on life like a fan. Black STEEL4X4. God alone, that's in our heart. God alone, they can hear it.
Oh God bless no boy girl. You mean killer?
God alone.
Yeah. Ready.
Big Mac 11 man and wait it take off. As you say hear them don't afraid to pop it off. Fighting like your mole and the whole life shut up. Do not all let the find the banana walk. Police are investigate and not stop talk.
Alright, you see that song, yeah? Oh, I tell them. That song, yeah? I kill no song with that tune, yeah. So you know what?
I'ma say all jump and fi die. This black steel bomber will you go and die. All jump and fi die. All of them fi get boom by. When black steel a kill sound and you. Yeah, you me? I tell them.
Again. You see that song, yeah?
Black steel no beg friend, him a can spit pon them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them condemn. I'm a no beg friend, him a can spit pon them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them condemn. Easy Chuck is somewhere for them. Brooklyn 90s.
Share the light, share the light. Share the light.
Black steel,
some boy this.
They don't know where in the stand alone to this bad man. Force a bomb, the world they must live too long. If I did the money, then sound push out the head. We not spare recover. Scratch it, tell them why them judge the book by the cover. And them down against them in the night up. Black steel I say, why them judge the book by the cover. Gunshot in the head. I scratch the go so the trigger. Now them blood it up and run like a nigga.
Oh yeah.
Well, you see one thing about Black Steel song from day one. You see we?
I say go away, they still rougher than them.
Anytime.
I with them gun them. Go away,
African bad family.
Rougher than them. I with them up 10, We invent the first fast track, Bad son from over Colorado, Touchdown and a kill out task for, Tell them magic, Mr. China follow, We no response to me, Chomida, Pull them in, I pull it up, back up on it.
Black steel for real.
Hold on, no man. Hold on, King Shambo. Here's some song, you know what?
Tell them, who's it? Your lifelong, but you kill this with it. Every this black steel, you shall surely lose it. Your lifelong, but you kill this with it. Every this for it.
You try, so what?
Murderation, black steel come again. Murderation, we not get nothing. Murderation, black steel come again. Murderation. Catch it. Well, we are going to murder them. Cause we don't figure out to them. We are going to murder them. Them and them back him and friend. We are going to murder them. Them and them sit down. Oh, black steel tell them. From your see a carbon, then you can know one. Different from the original one. Go tell them black steel, him and the champion. And no little jump. Lean away the out. Never get caught by them come out. Lean away the out. When you're in a side, don't get cast. Don't you know, so don't go. Be a party man. So don't go.
Here we are going to do. We're going to play about 3 more songs.
You're mad man.
And then we're going to sit down and hold a little reasoning. You see?
From you see then you will know them. Then you would have known how to them. Oh, from you hear them really know them. Listen to the way you them spoken. From you see then you will know them. Then you would have known how to them. Oh, from you hear them really know them.
Give me one more song. See that?
Say but my I go kill them. I ain't the only I go man them. Tell them you know them.
Get some stuff. Scare them through.
Black steel, in a unknown car. Try pass and shot sound from far. And the big old clock, where we have not the far. Oh no, no. Them and friend them come pearl and white. Johnny Killer, hope me them face like a jar. Face come in a star, moral lip and tar.
All the UK family, big up.
Still pass through and them shoot up all the barrier. So them a wicked man, them and them friend them from Florida. The potent time I straight over them dark barrier. That's a fathers and them a old time of fear. And a young warrior.
Long time
pass through with a text, sorry for fun. Let me hear from your galana. When your nickel life a squeeze out like banana. All black still up if you die.
One elephant. Them big like worship. Them know that they pop me, give them a one-away trip. In a them part box and me love see how them dive. Them a pain and then and me call 45. So me kill a gunshot a fly like plane. And I move on fast, not to the heart and them brain. Me do a wake up and me love see how them dive. Them a pain and then and me call 45.
Where black steel sing up.
Aye, and they tell me when black steel no say no late now. 4X4 I go say no way now.
Now I'm Bushman.
Hey, why, hey,
go on.
Black steel rings in Shanton head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Black steel no save the lead. Oh Lord, another skull bus. Mother receive another jump and
we can't forget the down one artist.
Family and friends want more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth.
Some don't know what them artists are gonna big up them artists. Yeah, man.
Too much fun we die, too much jump we die, too much jungle style. Them jump power we die, them jump flex we die, them
I'll tell you about black steel from way back when you know. Supernatural.
I'm black steel. The way it looks and seen, yeah. Black steel we no line up funny guy. But I can try to see, yeah. I'm not a bossy, yeah. There's no enemy, not 45.
So bad my people.
So stay away, eh? Stay away, stay away, stay away, eh? Party boy, let's be a first time.
Two killer.
And all that. So boy, to wicked talk now go scrub boy. If he pose a paper you still could not hear boy. You could not come near boy. Carry no shoes, check. To me set and me kill figure and not tell me a tear. Them start wear some new gun clothes that is here. But them skill, them we kill anybody anywhere. Him feel like get old, so him get a nice clear food. Who put a one day na the whole time Versace. I tell black steel bout him a quashy. Him and him kill my girlfriend near Reno. But them we kill man in a dem mosquito. But him a take a selector and record.
And a judgment day are we? Are we?
Paper you still put out your boy.
Crow, I just a crow. Hear that?
Terry again.
Oh yes. Oh na.
Is it tonight?
Something I go on tonight, only while we are fight. Black steel massive, but must stand up and fight. On tonight, only while we are fight. Use the plate and in the old
one thing.
We are raga.
I'm the two side of hot time.
We are raga. Stand on Nigeria. We are raga. Stand on South Africa.
We are raga.
Say jump on the falla. Raga like a net Kawanda. Raga like Mali and the wheel. But I'm of the most dope plate and ready for the sound clash.
All right. Share the life, people. Share the life. You don't know. Black Steel in the building. They're not going nowhere. They're going to play some more tune. But we're going to reason a little bit. Get to make the people them know what's Black Steel, who is Black Steel, the owner for Black Steel and all them things. Forward a little bit, like camera. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you don't know. Yeah, man. Bless up everyone for the life. You don't know. Each and every Sunday. Just tell a friend for tell a friend. You know me I deal with. If no one know about it. You know me I say? Killer day, that's a dance nice each and every Sunday. You know me I deal with? So you don't know. Black Steel in the building, you don't know. I told microphone, so you don't know. As you don't know, remember already.
Super Leo.
Elliot Ness.
Yeah, man, you don't know Johnny Killer.
Johnny Killer.
You don't know. Yeah, man, forward a little bit Johnny Killer. So, yeah. And the people them see a little bit. Forward that, yeah. Right there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, bless up. Puma.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks. Come.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, great show.
Yeah, man.
Each and every Sunday. I tune in each and every Sunday and I enjoy.
I know you're there at the studio.
And I watch it on YouTube as well, if I didn't catch it. So, yo, big respect, Puma, big show. Yeah.
Give thanks, you don't know. As I said earlier, hard work we put in. You know what I say?
Yeah.
So you don't know, each and every Sunday, you don't know, Real Talk, IG, Black Steel in the building. So Johnny Killer, so who's the owner for the sound system?
Well, no real owner. we're all collectively owning.
Come together.
Yeah, like brethren when we were younger. So there's no, you know what I'm saying? There's no particular owner.
So how long you know each other?
Well, probably since 4th grade, 5th grade, them time there. Yeah.
From them, and you still friends till now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
At that moment, them younger generation and the younger youth, them look up to them youth as same way. Because on the young same way, but still, on the still a foundation same way.
Yeah.
No, man, them bench.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
No, man.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
But a real family go through them thing and then come back together. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah. It never loses way, you know?
Definite. So how long has sound system been playing now?
Well, we started in like the house parties and stuff like that. And I think our first flyer was in the Baby Grand, which his mom owned a club called the Baby Grand on Nostrand.
Remember the club, yeah.
Right. So I think our first official party with a flyer that we were walking around Flatbush giving out the flyer was in Baby Grand. I think that what year? That was like 92, the end of 92.
93,
yeah. I was, yeah.
So why who come up with the idea for the sound system?
So basically, I started playing music long before that. So me and my brethren Chris, big up Chris anywhere you at, right? Big up Jamal anywhere. Big up Chris anywhere. We came like me and Chris used to collect records and we used to listen to sound systems. So we said, yo, we just need to come up with our own name. So we went through a million 6 names.
Yeah, I'll make it. Push it back. So yeah.
Basement Hi-Fi, Tiny Tunes.
Yeah.
All kind of names.
There's so many names that come up with.
Yeah, like Backdraft, High Power, all type of stuff. And then all type. Yeah, so
how did you meet the rest of guys them now?
So I've been knowing them from school, but our relationship wasn't through music. It was just normal, just neighborhood stuff. Because I lived on Bedford Avenue. Yeah, I lived on Bedford Avenue and they lived on Hawthorne, 125, right? Yeah, so basically just playing in the streets, yeah.
So how long you been playing music before you joined the Black Steel?
Well, all right, so back to the Black Steel thing. So me and my friend Chris came up with the name Black Steel, right? So, and I think I got one dub plate from Polyfamous at Superpower. Like he was... Matter of fact, Polyfamous, big up Polyfamous.
That's Polyfamous, a DJ, from Dan One
From
days.
Dan One.
Yeah, man.
Matter of fact, he's the one who pressured me to come up with a name for a sound because I used to buy records in Superpower. So he's like, yo, you have a sound? I was like, what? I didn't really understand. So he was like, yo, you got to have a name. Like, so me and my brethren came up with a name. Came back with a name. He gave me my first dub plate. So I had that dub plate on tape for like about 2 years. And I never played. I played it every day on the tape.
In your house, yeah.
Him and Richie Tech gave me my first dub plate as Black Steel sound.
Yeah, Richie Tech, bless up yourself.
Richie Tech, big up anywhere you at. Yeah, they gave me my first dub plate, like about 4 songs. I can't remember the song, I can't find them or nothing like that. But I had them long time before I put them on dub plate. So what happened was I used to make little tapes little mixtapes.
Yeah.
So these tapes wasn't even really mixed. I used to make pause tapes, and we used to come outside and play and listen to the...
How old you was at that time?
About 13, 12. Wow. So Nesto, Stinger Juice, whatever you want to call yourself, right? Leo, right? So me and Leo, he's a little bit older, so me and Leo had the relationship.
Yeah.
Because we were outside, whatever. He was out in the streets doing, you know what I mean? Big man things. So... he heard one of the tapes. This is their cousins. Right? So he heard one of the tapes, and he was like, yo, who made that tape? He was like, I made the tape.
Yeah.
So he said, so I saw him outside. He was like, yo, you got all these records? I was like, yeah, I got all these records. So that's how it came about.
And that's all the Black Steel?
Yeah, he was like, you got these records? I got records too.
And that's from 93?
That's from 92. 92 somewhere in 92 there.
The end of 93 to 92 to 93.
No, 93, we was gone. We was gone already.
92 was putting small work together.
Early part of 93, it was like, because the Black Steel thing for me is kind of short-lived when I think about it. When I go back in my memory, it was a short period of time.
Yeah.
But it was a lot going on and so much.
It's so fast.
Yeah.
So name some of the sound systems you used to play when the sound system came out, Black Steel.
Explosion. We clashed against Explosion. We had some clashes as well. King Ramsey,
King Champion.
King Champion. Of course,
Vital.
of course, our legacy is with Megatone and Eternity.
But you never clash Megatone and Eternity.
No.
It's like
One time we had a
it's
little
like
fake
unity.
clash. One time we had a little fake clash, but nothing. It was just too much unity going on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, that was basically it. But we clashed everybody else outside of Flatbush. That you know what I'm saying? Cause we were the sound.
Black Steel is a sound.
We were the sound. Yeah.
Biltmore, Starlight, Flamingo.
Yeah.
Those, you know what I mean? Those
Yeah,
clubs
yeah.
from back then.
Yeah, Deep Palau and
Excelsior.
all those places.
So those are 3 members, no other more members on the sound system?
No, there are a lot more members that pass and they pass through, you know. But you got a lot of members. Get speak on it.
We do have we did have other members, but they just like came and left, and you know.
Basically, we've been there.
Yeah, the 3, yeah.
Big up Scratchy D.
We're
Big
the
up
core.
Scratchy D. Big up Scratchy D. Big up Marky. You know what I'm saying? Marky Don.
Big up Chucky. All of them.
Big up Chucky. Big up who else?
Kendo.
Kendo used to play
So
Black
it
Steel
doesn't
as
matter
well.
who come or leave or whatever, but the Chiana is still there, you see.
Yeah, because it's foundation, groundation. So that's basically what it is. You know what I mean?
All right, so in those days, back in the days, because I know say Black Steel was with Megatone, UK group. He was a UK king. See? Addies used to back Addies back in the days. You know what I'm saying? Because he was an Addies.
Does he talk about the enemy?
I was an Addies cheerleader back in the days. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, defend the song.
Yeah,
you know
that's true. Because when Addies used to string up, we'd sit right on top of Addies sound and look at LP like, you know?
All right, so why the switch? Why the switch now from Black Steel? Why did you...
Somebody said that Black Steel first sound play in
Excelsior.
Nah, not. That was Pitbull, big up. Big up Pitbull. Pitbull, he gave us our first date in Biltmore.
In Biltmore Ballroom.
Biltmore was a Thanksgiving. I wish you would have brought some flyers. It was Turbo Force.
Pitbull, bless up yourself, you don't know.
Big up Pitbull because he really believed in us. He lived down the block, so we the bad sound down the block.
But back in them days, you know, as a little young sound, because we was a big sound. Well, I wasn't really a big sound until me really kill all of the sound them in New York.
I mean,
see?
to us, of
no,
course.
Until me kill every sound, then me kill Addies.
Yeah.
Then, you know what I'm saying? But in those days, with Black Steel coming up in them days and Megatone and all them sound system there.
You were aware of what was going on.
Of course I was aware. Come on.
Me now, I would never think so. I would look at Puma and be like, oh shit, you know.
No, because remember, you know, me listen to every sound system. You know.
Yeah, but I don't know that.
Because remember we used to play Hooky Party.
Right, yeah.
Used to keep a lot of dance with Black Steel and all them. You know what I'm saying?
But it was a million sounds back in the day, so you would think like, yo, if they gave you a time of day, you would be happy. Like,
no, but back in them days, I wasn't waiting on a promoter.
Yeah,
you keep our own. Do your own thing.
Do your own thing.
But that was definitely the difference between us and different sounds in our generation. You know what I'm saying? Like they basically had to wait till a promoter to call them for a date.
Yeah.
We already had our own alliance.
Yeah, you have your crowd.
We had a
crowd. You know what I'm saying?
Because we had our own club too. Like, you know what I'm saying? My mother had a club. So it's like, all right, we need to keep an event. Let's keep a Dollarama. Let's keep a $5.
And plus, we all went to different schools. So I had a crowd, he had a crowd, and all of our friends, the dancers, each dancer, each whatever, flyer man. We had a crazy crew. That was the thing about Black Steel.
Give me one of them memory dance from back in the days where you can say, yo, Black Steel play against the next sound and the dance. Even juggling, I don't mean if it been a war dance. One dance where from Biltmore, Starlight, and you say, yo.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so many, man. We
For real.
We played this party called Which School Can Represent the Most.
Yeah.
You know, at Biltmore. Tip Top did that was Tip Promotion. Mud. Crazy.
Which sound system was on that bill?
It was us, Scurv, Scavenger, Stereosonic, and Addies.
King Addies was on that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Addies, Rough Cut.
Remember say Addies
Rough
used to
Cut,
for them Hooky Party too, you know.
Rough Cut was on that too.
Enough people used to feel say Addies just play for the big dance. Because when Mataran came along, and them thing they Tip Top, okay, you don't know the link already.
That's
between,
how
you know
the
what
connection came about.
Yeah, so you don't know Tip Top used to keep a lot of dance with King Addies too.
Right.
So you know what I'm saying? You have Tip Top, bless up yourself, you don't know.
Big up Tip.
You know what I deal with? Tip Top, top tip on the whole,
Yeah.
You know what I deal with?
Yeah, history.
But all right. Black Steel was a song where we know, so all right. LP is a song where people, when them say hear about LP, them say, all right, Dennis Brown. right? Addis is a song where them say, all right, Bounty Killer. But Black Steel, which artist? Because I know an artist. I'm not going to call the artist names still, you know. But which artist you can say, well, all right. When you say Black Steel, you can say, yo, the artist, yeah, a Black Steel artist.
Yeah, the artist that you're thinking about, I know you're thinking about that artist right there. That would be my artist because I thought we was friends. When I linked him, we was friends. That was it. He dealt with my sound right, correctly. So I just said, yo, you're my artist for life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me not telling the artist name. We're not telling the artist name. Not yet. We're going to make him play some tune. When him play like cheat tune of the artist, then we know the name.
Yeah.
All right?
Man.
Right? Matter of fact, you can line up some tune for him now. Come on.
Oh, gosh.
You want to hear some tune for the artist because you don't know. You know, the artist is one bad artist.
Yeah.
And it's a New York artist. Though.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
one of my favorite LP songs is from that artist.
Wow.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have the tune. You don't have the tune.
No, I don't have that song.
Wow.
No, do I?
You hear that?
No,
at least we can say
song.
yes. We don't have one tune.
Yeah. Yo, you got a
But Johnny Killer, all right.
Yeah.
So all the switch now came with Johnny Killer from Black Steel Sound. So when you moved from when you left Black Steel Sound, what sound did you into?
So basically what happened was it was like I was just playing music outside. I just wanted to play music. And at that time we probably wasn't getting along too well. And I realized I could make money. And I said, yo, let me go test the waters. And big up Steely. Big up Steely, because Steely took me on the road, you know what I mean? And at that time, Steely was making a transition from Spectrum to Afrique. Right. So I was his personal box boy. I mixed early. I paid my dues, bro.
Yo, Steely,
you know
Bashment.
Big up Steely. I play early for him until Claude.
Where call him Killer, Sir Johnny?
I played early till one day Claude was like, yo, why would I you there? You know what I mean? And then I ended up playing Afrique for a little while. And, you know, Matron used to see me like, yo, you nigga, why are you in these parties? Because he's used to seeing me in the
regular dance. Yeah.
In the regular, why are you in these parties? So that's how the link with me and Tony came about, through Afrique. And me living in Long Island and Queens and, you know, that whole connection right there. That's basically how that journey came along.
Plus, Tony used to hang around us too.
Yeah, I mean them time there, we always had a connection.
But back in the days, you know, a lot of people don't know, you know, Mataran, you know, because when Mataran moved to New York, and leave the sound from Poughkeepsie, Stingray. Because enough people don't know Mataran history.
I listened to that audio the other day.
We can write the book of Mataran, you know what I'm saying? Because Mataran used to hang around the youths them in Brooklyn, taking them some of them style, you know what I'm saying? Well on the mount each other, well on the mount each other, rank on each other, and that's how Mataran became good.
Learning the talks and the hip stuff, like how to dress, stuff like that. He used to hang around us because we used to have all the girls around us. Yeah, so he used to come to all our parties, and you know what I'm saying? So that was the thing.
So from Mataran now, when you leave, you still play with Matarans?
Yeah, right now? Pause. Yeah. Still work with him.
Well, we soon get who you play. Me know who you play, but me know want to the back yet.
No. Well, I'm always work with Tony. You know what I mean? Because when he started this thing, I was like, yo, you gonna play somebody's sound? He was like, yo, nah, he ain't gonna do that. But he's like, yo, come on, you know, let's go for this journey. So.
But you play Mighty Crown too. A lot of people don't know you play with Mighty Crown. So.
Well, yeah, I had worked.
Work with Mighty
Crown. I worked on Mighty Crown. I never played Mighty Crown, so I worked on Mighty Crown.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had a U.S. visa, and, you know, they believed in my juggling skills, and they said, yo, come along. And we were cool. We were very cool. Me and Sammy, mad Cheech and Chong. Me and Sammy.
Wow.
Yeah, so they were like, yo, you know, give me some works, and I went on a couple of tours with them. It was real cool. But then, you know, Mataron got back his visa and loyalty. That's what happened. Like I would have probably still been working with Mighty Crown, you know, but it's just loyalty. I felt the way, like, you know what I mean?
So how did Mataran feel about that?
Let me tell you a joke. There was a clash in England with Mighty. It was a tag team clash with Rodigan, Love Injection, Mighty Crown, and Mataran. And I'm working with Mighty Crown at the time. But I had to work with Tony because it's a tag team. So I'm working the two sounds that I'm working.
Two sounds.
And, Johnny, and you know we won,
Johnny,
of course.
You know what we call you?
What?
Sound war.
No, how? how you going to... But if, when you watch the connection, when you watch the connections though, it's not like anybody ever reached out to me and said, yo, come play my sound. You know what I'm saying? I would never do that. All of these things are organic. You know what I mean?
So they must hire you for a couple of months and...
No, but we already have, but you see, we already have a relationship. Sammy T and Simon, I know them. We cool.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how that came about. And Chin, you know? So.
All right. So, Mataran, Mighty Crown, Afrique, who else again?
Me,
Black
Johnny
Steel,
Killer.
Black
I did
Steel
my
will
own thing.
always be there.
Yeah, of course, because
right.
we made that. We started that.
All right. So with sound system, any other more sound system?
Yeah, of course. Cosmic Movements.
So right now you're playing Cosmic
Yeah,
Movement.
Cosmic Movements from 2017.
So
I've been playing
why did
Cosmic.
you make that switch from Mataran to Cosmic?
I got tired of Mataron. Now let me stop. Talking
Remember,
too much.
Real talk IG.
No, listen.
Real talk IG. We don't say if you bash nobody, but
No, I'm just joking. I love Mataron. You crazy? That's my brother for life. I just spoke to him a little while ago.
yeah.
Yeah. So basically, what happened was I told Tony. I said, "Yo, listen, I think I'm gonna go help Cosmic, right? You know what I'm saying? Easy. Us, me and Easy had a conversation, and I told him I was like, "Yo, I think I'm gonna go help Cosmic because I don't know, but I'm gonna always be there. You called me, I'm there."
Yeah.
So he was like, "Yo, go ahead, bro."
Then suppose there's a dance one night where Cosmic is clashing and Mataran call you for compare. What's gonna happen?
I'm clashing tonight. Listen, I was doing something yesterday, right? He called me to play it somewhere, and I said, "Yo, I can't go because I'm working here." So it'd be the same thing.
All right. So your loyalty, you know where your loyalty stand right now.
Regardless of what. But I'm just saying, Mataron called me when he need me for like the big stage show, and then, or you know what I'm saying? You need somebody behind a turntable you could trust. Because he's the GOAT. He really doesn't need me to work with him still, but it makes the whole job easier to me. You know what I mean? Because I watch him. He's like one of the best selectors to play sound by himself. You know? But in a clash, he can't, you know?
Easier in our clash.
Right. Yeah.
All right. So you say Cosmic Movement.
Yeah.
Later on, you got introduced because you don't know Black Steel from back then.
Right.
And you're still playing the sound system, right?
Yeah.
Still play. Many people them know, man. Many them know what go on, man. Because you're a part of the sound scene, but them still play the sound. So make them know, many people them know them can, with what them can book the sound. You know what I mean? So who them can link and them thing there. And, you know, talk up my microphone.
Yeah, well, they can go to the IG page, Black Steel page, Black Steel4X4, or at DJ Super Leo, or at Elliot Ness. You know what I mean? And we got other members in the Sounds of Reality. She's one of the first female DJ on the sound.
Yeah.
We got my cousin Chucky. He's also part of the sound. So right now we working on us three
a
right
new
here.
team and
us
try
three
to
right
move
now.
the thing same way.
We cooking up something right now. You know, we cooking up something to even expand the brand even more. But we still play the sound.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand?
It's a good look.
You know?
Yeah. You know, fresh faces and, you know, fresh young energy.
You know?
You know what I'm saying? For the youths them, because, you know, we're going to pass it on to the next generation. You know, big up Sounds Reality. Because she out there, she doing her thing. She's going to be representing the sound. So
that's a female.
That's a female. She's bad. So, you know, check out her IG and them something there. You know what I mean? You got Q, you know, a couple of people.
Yeah. That's what I said. We cooking up something right now to bring some more energy.
The energy's there. The energy's there,
though. We are stirring the pot a little bit more.
Make sure no pork you cook up, you know.
Nah, man, we are stirring.
Pork you cook, you know. Killer, they're going to get invited, you know.
No. I see somebody said, what about Hitmatic? Illmatic.
Yo, remember, you know, make sure no pork. If a pork, Killer D is going to be invited.
Oh, gosh.
Me say the poor coffee live. The poor coffee live. Jerk barbecue was chew it, dog. Me say the poor coffee live. Fire!
Yo. Don't make you put on sizzler here about that, yeah?
Fire!
Yeah, man.
All right, Johnny Killer, hear me now?
Yo.
We're going to make a play some more tune, but right now, I want to hear some of my, you know, man, there? I want to hear my request right now.
Let me see if I can find it in the box.
I want to hear some of my requests right now.
You
know what I deal with? You can't leave out here if you don't bring none. You cannot leave out here if you don't bring none.
Jeez.
See? So you don't know. Yo, people share the life. You don't know say Black Steel. You don't know say in the building. Bless up the whole. Yeah, man. Bless up the whole crew from back then. You know me say the King Fila and Megatone. You know me say
Eternity.
Yeah.
The whole crew, man.
Yeah, man. Sandy Sharp, man. You know me say. Yeah,
All-Star Squad from day one.
So you don't know. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Black Steel. We'll come and come reason a little bit more. You know me I say. Make them run some more tune, man.
This is Henry Boothroyd, live in London. BBC.
Try not kind of scratchy, but don't watch it.
It's just brutally murderous sound.
Now,
I'm
man,
here
some people
reporting
love them
live,
sound,
whichever
you know.
fault. Could you tell them what happened?
We've only just begun.
Build back a visor now. Build up a drive. Move them chair. Tell them we don't get too comfortable.
Black Steel sound. Champion sound.
See that?
Black Steel even goes out. We've only begun. That sound is not over. Got a lot of sound.
Hey, hold on there. Boy, see some fire upon the live and a ramp with the truck.
Fire.
We've only just
Fire on the screen.
Fire burn it up.
over.
Them song, they can't find them song there, man. They can't find them song there. Rest in peace.
Oh, you mean?
Black Steel sound. Champion sound.
Oh, yeah, something singer.
Black Steel even goes out to play more of the hook. Just the way we want it to. Oh yeah. Cause we're ready.
It's just right.
Black Steel sound.
Them Junior. Fire emoji, what do you mean? Them Junior. Here's the chucky ball. Mad.
Easy them. Easy Pitbull. G-Man. Big up yourself, G-Man.
Hold up the All-Star Squad.
Goes out to
Cinco.
Easy meeting.
Just the way he wants it to.
All game.
Cause we're ready. Oh yeah.
Get up.
Kill your sound. Kill your sound. We've only just begun.
Yo, Killer Day, we don't name Steve.
LP,
Killer Day.
Black Steel.
Ramp with the truck.
We in the building.
Black Steel sound.
Come on.
Champion sound.
Trumpet sound on the hands. See that? What is that?
Black Steel even goes out to play more of the hook. Just the way he wants
Song so sweet, man.
Oh yeah. Cause we're ready. Oh yeah.
I go.
Kill your sound. Kill your sound. Kill your sound right now.
Make the tune play.
Black Steel even knows how to play more of the hook.
What a dub song so sweet, man.
Oh yeah, cause we're ready. Oh yeah, kill your sound.
Trevor Sparks told me he went to a Black Steel dance once before.
Kill your
Trevor, why you love my sound so much, Trevor? You know what him tell me, sir?
So Black Steel, so warm and so gentle. You know you are everything. You're everything to me.
What you mean,
You know you are the champion.
Yep.
The champion's out to be. I'll never let you down.
193 till now, you mean? Supernatural Black Steel.
Boy. Even knows how to kill like that sound. Yeah.
Hey, Johnny. We're not going to box so much car. You don't know. Things are forwarding.
Yeah.
But we are giving them a sneak preview of what go around here.
Come down, Trevor Sparks, and kill a song.
Oh
Watch
yeah.
it. Rhythm.
Black Steel sound.
Yo. Listen to the song, yeah. Listen to the music. Listen.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel so much better.
Eat up.
And all of the massive will follow Black Steel Crew. Come down, Trevor.
It's a Bash a million.
The 4x4. Big up man like Johnny Killer, Stinger, Leodon, Markidon, and all of the massive will follow Black Steel Crew. Come down, Trevor Sparks, and kill us some.
Oh yeah.
Soon I'll play, man.
Black Steel sound.
He's a soupy. Oh my God, so family. What you mean? Voila.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you. Yeah.
No way.
Oh my heart goes. We Black Steel sound goes.
And I want you to know.
Come down, Trevor Sparks, and kill us some.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Black Steel sound.
Someone can find them on this, man. Are we near Black Steel 4x4? Under them.
It is.
See there.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you, yeah. Oh my heart goes.
Watch the fire emoji, my brother. Watch the fire emoji.
No, yeah. See the song I'm dying. Duba 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 day. Oh.
Come down, Trevor Sparks, and kill us some.
Again.
Oh yeah.
Again. Bud.
Black Steel sound.
They say bad like COVID-19. What you mean? Trevor Sparks.
It is.
Come on.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you, yeah. Oh my heart goes. We Black Steel sound goes. And I want you to know, yes. See the song I'm dying. Duba 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 day. Oh yeah.
Tell him.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better.
Hey, Trevor Sparks, get him my next one, man.
Anything for you.
See that?
Yeah. Oh my heart goes. We Black Steel sound goes. And I want
Trevor
you
Sparks,
to
sing
know,
something.
yeah. See the black and steel. Oh yeah. Something about this sound I like.
Tell him about it.
Every time we meet,
Jesus.
Black Steel sound so sweet.
Yeah, tell you.
Come down, Trevor Sparks, and kill us some.
Oh yeah.
Energy, man, energy.
Black Steel sound.
We say LP Black Steel Cosmic. We in the building. Rhythm.
Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you.
Super Leo, Johnny Killer, Elliot Ness.
Oh my heart.
Killer D.
Black Steel sound goes. And I want you to know, yeah. See the song I'm dying. Duba 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 day. Oh yeah. Really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you.
What's the answer? Answer.
Oh my heart goes. We Black Steel sound
Trumpet zone, man. Trumpet zone. What's the answer?
No, yeah.
All right, Chaba.
Oh.
Chaba, what you say about Black Steel now?
Something about this sound I like. Every time we meet, Black Steel sound so sweet.
Jesus Christ.
Something about this sound I like.
Must be, man.
Every time we meet,
and we just wanna bring back memory, man. A Black Steel. All-Star Squad.
We are gonna kill them.
What you say?
We are gonna murder them.
What we are doing?
We are gonna kill them. We are gonna kill them. Love the mercy. Because it really doesn't matter. Black Steel sound much better. Do anything for you. Oh my heart goes.
Ready, Johnny?
Where the Black Steel sound goes.
Who I bring down the king? Dennis Brown. Sing.
Tune.
Oh, Black Steel.
Jeez.
Black Steel.
We're there tonight. I miss it. Let me some fire emoji. Fire King. What you say, Dennis?
Some boy them are weeping, and I'm moaning again.
What's that?
Weeping, and the morning alone. Some boys them are weeping and
who are down the king? That is wrong.
Sing.
Oh, Black Steel.
Yeah.
Easy, Eagles.
Who are playing?
Black Steel. Whoa.
Dennis Emmanuel Brown, man. Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Live in concert, so tune.
Some boys them are weeping and I'm moaning again, weeping and I'm moaning alone. Oh, Black Steel. Black Steel. Whoa. Yeah.
Tune up here.
Hold on.
Share the line. Why go? Voila.
Some boys them are weeping and I'm moaning again, weeping and I'm moaning alone. Some boys them are weeping and I'm moaning
Jesus
again.
Christ, sing a juice.
And I'm
what I do?
Because them sound just like a cup.
Come on.
They don't know to come over.
Go on.
Only Black Steel come over. Some boys can't get over. No.
We are go.
With them Black Steel, me say with them. For them a 4x4, yes, with them. I wait for them a Black Steel, we say with them.
AMG. Driver family. Two, big up yourself, better.
Oh,
Lord of mercy. Johnny. What's them song you play? Let me sing.
Pull up Johnny, pull up Johnny, pull it up.
Pull up. Pull up. Let me hear my pull up, Johnny Killer.
Lord of mercy. Pull it up now.
Who wants this on fire emoji on the line right now? Who want me sing? Come again.
Pull up Johnny, pull up Johnny, pull it up now.
Listen.
Jack the player, jack it up now. Sting and beg you pull it up. Sting and beg you jack it up.
Go on.
Black Steel so nice, you've got to play twice. Sweet like sugar, nice like spice. Watch all the fans, them just a jump and rejoice.
Pitbull, my brother.
Is there
Easy for the Pitbull.
Pull up Johnny, pull it up now. Jack the player, jack the player, jack it up now. Sting and beg you pull it up.
Untouchables.
How are we going in?
Because gone we gone in a rubber dub style. Wicked we wicked, wild we wild. Gone we gone in a dancehall style. Black Steel music, first on top. Pull up, beg you pull it up.
Voila.
Johnny beg you jack it up.
So Johnny,
I'll pull it.
Jeez.
Black Steel 4x4. Black Steel.
We are on this.
It may look how we kill some so hard. One play Black Steel in India, but Black Steel no fear no son. 4x4 no fear no son.
Go on.
Na 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 na.
Play some music for your man. We'll play some music for the people. Make them know where we come from. Like them song there.
Na 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 na. Him not fear them sound them no way.
Yeah, but big up all the Chinese people, man. You mean? I'm a Panamanian people. I'm a Jamaican them.
My jump and back. Who want this? Who stand a chance? Black Steel, I did wanna be the dance. 4x4, I did wanna be the dance. We not play them no longer.
Ready, Johnny? Tune. We say we are playing some tune, man. Son there is the Black Steel killer.
See Black Steel face, but it down season.
Just try.
Till again, Black Steel. Champion sound.
Johnny them never know. Super Leon them never know.
Whatever.
See Black Steel face, but it down season. Sing on, you see Black Steel face, but you don't know his story. Everywhere
yes, Johnny.
You go, I saw her run up
make it run nice.
But never,
reason with the
never, Elliot, take it to her. For them heart is them heart, and the thought is the thought. So don't mix a lot up with war, yeah, sound boy. You are the dead. For your heart is your heart,
Yo.
and the thought is the thought. So sing
6'6", you are gonna get tonight. In the cemetery.
Ready.
Look at that. Remember me tell you that. You are dead tonight. Come on. Yeah. On all the cemetery in the world. All right, sleep down this today.
Yeah, my share live, my Black Steel so live place, man. Live in concert. What am I saying? Share what?
Rolling sound, yeah.
And then me sing again.
Bad sound, yeah. I'm still a you.
Heavy like lead.
Skylark.
What else we are do? We are do.
Sound killer.
From long time.
That is what Black STEEL4X4 do, yo. Begging you a dark place. Black Steel begging you a special. Black Steel. Can I help you? Would I never help you? 6 man, yo. Begging you a 4-5. Super League, begging you a LP. Super League, can I help you? Dustin, can I help you? Yo.
Yeah, my exercise so about Johnny.
Y'all keep on playing.
Big up yourself, Father Chicken, man. Don't forget, man. Long time.
We'll get 6 foot.
Drivers family, amazing. Big up yourself, my brother.
Dustin, that's it, yo.
Now if another song bad, make him try. Yeah.
Ready, Emma, ready.
I go bust that up tonight. Sound boy, we beg you not to test Black Steel.
Pull up. Fire emoji, man.
Now if another song bad, make him try.
Share the line, share the line, share the line, share the line, the people have share. Hold on.
Sound boy, we beg you not to test Black Steel tonight.
Easy fries.
And then you never listen, never take for the good advice. But this is how we murder sound. We'll send them on the race. I've got to say it. Oh, sound boy, you gonna suffer. Sound boy, you gonna die. Sound boy, you shouldn't try.
Jesus Christ, man.
Memory.
Exercise time, what you mean?
This is how we murder sound.
So you know a song.
We'll send them on the race.
Johnny, I want them in a Johnny.
Let it try, let it try, let it try, yeah. Let it try, let it die.
Johnny. If a boy ever try run up on a song, yeah, you know what I'm off him blood, hey, you know what?
Some boy I feel run way when Black Steel start to play.
Oh, you say Lucy?
Yes, I'm a feel run way, cause it's like Judgment Day.
Oh, you mean?
Some boy I feel
easy pop boy. Love and respect, my brother. Oh, you mean? Yeah, myself.
Yes, I'm a feel run way.
Unnatural by crew.
Back up then jump and sound and roll.
Go on.
Say they all know, Lord. Black Steel sound that champion.
Big sound.
Killing sounds like I say one by one. And still they try to come take our ground.
What?
But the way them I go do when them buck up on Black Steel sound like
Easy,
why I feel one way when Black Steel start to play. So when I feel run away.
I know we play some song. Play some song, killer.
Black Steel, yeah.
Play some song, Johnny. Mr. Some fire. Music for the people.
Live up like Black Steel, live up. Live up in the light of a river, living Jaja. Live up like Black Steel, live up.
Live up, Johnny. Fire emoji again, what you mean?
Black Steel, yeah. Living up with
Voila.
Live up like Black Steel, live up. Live up in the light of a river, living Jaja. Live up like Black Steel, live up. See your live like shine is your will. Live up.
He's the DJ Kendall. Brother, big up yourself.
Creator of all living things. Live up like Black Steel, live up. Live up and exalt the glory of Selassie. Yeah. Oh, I'm bright and exalt the glory.
Sing it, mama.
Yeah. For unto we glory is to be with. No matter how the wicked try to compete, yeah.
up about no friend.
Let them watch you. What you mean? Let them check.
See tell them sell up about no friend way. Say that I keep up with a talk. From over distant land and safe. Jah reveal them heart away. See the newspaper print up them bag of lies.
Why yo?
What is that again?
Oh yo yo yo. Why yo? Black steel sound is like a puzzle, everything on a hand of the ground. And we sound killer, how we sound like that. The family doesn't think that we can be them black.
What?
Smiling down with this, I want
you see, we tell her.
And we no bow down low. You must see, man, we couldn't do that.
Boss, some fire upon the line. Ramp it around here.
Yo, man. Fire. Let them know, killer day.
Fire upon the live, you know.
Fire.
The man that want know say you never do it yet, too. Kayak some boy can't put the fire upon the live because the fire will turn around and burn them.
Hallelujah. Burn them.
Hey, my friend.
Hey, man.
Hey, you.
Hallelujah.
Hey.
Amen. Shit, my brother.
Listen to me, oh. I said put the fire on the live, oh. Hey.
Hey.
Boy, killer day. Only just bad me up to and just take over the show. Share the live, share the live, share the... Well, matter of fact, you know what?
Soon done.
You know what? We're going to start the live, yeah? And we'll start about the live because we've got extra time.
Like how we have the extra time, we're going to make Black Steel just finish out the last 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're going to cut it and then we're going to start it back
fresh. All right.
We're going to start it back with, you know?
No, but yeah, we have a reason and start it back with, yeah.
The next guest.
All right. Don't say a thing. See?
Yeah, man.
So Black Steel, share the live, share the live, share the live.
Why yo?
Hallelujah.
Why yo yo yo? Black steel you are the killer. Why yo? Black steel sounds like a puzzle of the figure and a hard not the ground.
Watch that.
Wheels round killer, how we solid like that.
Some boy phone off the fire emoji. Oh, go on.
Yes, I want to stop it on the back, but we no bow down low. You must see man, we couldn't do it. So killer from me. All the way running slow. Well, scratchy, I go drop the left flat. People when life hurt. Tell them we no bow down low. You must see man, we couldn't do that. Foundation from birth. All the way running slow. Well, Chucky, I go drop the left flat. We know where life hurt. Well, I say yellow Rastafari, you know me break. So yes, sir. And then we pick up on the 2 friends. So yellow call the sex. Yes, sir.
All right. Johnny, you start from intro.
As a man where wear pants and shirt, the duty is to make love to the blouse and skirt. Yes, me real now bird. No prospect from the little bird, but from the woman and bird.
Johnny.
For us to this woman earth, Black Steel never bound.
This type in fire and it will pop up.
And some killer from earth.
Just type in fire and it will pop up.
Cause up to them flat, we know where life hurt. When them say don't lie, you must see man be good to do that. Foundation from earth.
Why for the ease out, Johnny? I don't like that.
All right.
I don't like that ease out, Johnny. Sit there.
Pause.
It never fit the segment there.
All right.
It
fit.
Red card. A matter of fact, we are in the live already.
But you know what? Hold on.
We're so forward. We are forward.